In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM free. Start by heading to zoho.com/CRM and choosing the free edition. Once you are in, click the settings gear icon to set up your organization details. Add your company information so your records and emails reflect the right name, address, and time zone. While you are here, review user roles. Roles determine who can see and edit different records, which helps protect your data. If you are just starting, keep it simple. Create a basic hierarchy now and refine it as your team grows. Next, populate your CRM. You can manually add new leads or contacts, which is helpful for one-offs or testing. For larger lists, import from a CSV or Excel file. During import, map your columns to Zoho fields, things like name, email, phone, and company, and take a moment to clean up duplicates or obvious typos first. A good tip is to include a unique ID or email column so Zoho can catch duplicates more easily. Now manage your pipeline. Use the Leads module to capture and track potential customers. Logging notes, calls, and next steps. When a lead is qualified, convert it into a contact and an account with a couple of clicks. This keeps your data tidy and moves it into your main customer list. Then create a deal to track potential revenue. Move the deal through the pipeline stages such as qualification and proposal by dragging it along the board. Update the amount and expected close date as you learn more to keep your forecast accurate. Automate the routine with free workflow tools. Set up simple rules that trigger when a record meets a condition, like when a lead status changes to qualified. You can automatically send an email alert. Create a follow-up task or update a field. Start small, test on a sample record, and check the activity history to confirm it's working as intended. To streamline operations, integrate other Zoho apps. Connect Zoho projects to link deals with project work. Or Zoho Desk to surface support tickets alongside customer records. Pick the connections that support your core process so your team sees the right context without switching tools. Finally, monitor activity in the dashboard. Add widgets for tasks due today. Recent calls and active deals by stage. Customize filters so you see data that matters to you. And review it regularly to spot bottlenecks and prioritize work. Thanks for watching.